Ductless heating with the Fujitsu Mini Split is a great solution in Duluth, Minnesota. You'll enjoy whole home comfort all year round with an energy-efficient ductless system. A ductless system uses inverter technology, which is like cruise control for your heating and cooling system. These super high-efficiency systems save money on utility bills and may qualify for rebates. And zoning your home is easy with the Mini Split. Why pay to heat or cool areas that no one uses? Halcyon systems can have as many as 8 indoor heads or 8 zones. Did you know that half of the energy used in your home goes to heating and cooling? Making smart decisions about your home's heating and AC can have a big effect on your utility bill. Find out how going ductless can help you save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort. Call the experts at Northstar Heating and Cooling, 218-628-9276.